Hello everyone, I am Deepak Kumar Tiwari, a mathematics lecturer teaching secondary and senior secondary students, and I belong to East Champaran district, Bihar. I just received a gift hamper from Team Teachmint in which they provided me an appreciation certificate for successfully conducting 100 hours live classes at Teachmint, and a T-shirt with Teachmint logo which I just wearing right now. I am extremely grateful to the team Teachment for this love and support and the motivation provided to us during COVID-19 situation. I am highly impressed by the effective way of working with Teachment because there are several facilities available at the single platform for both teachers and students' convenience, namely a convenient whiteboard facility for writing purpose, students' attendance record, classroom details, study materials, and recordings are available at the classroom after every live classes, etc. And a teacher can create a test in just 30 seconds. I also want to say very thanks to the customer care services provided by Team Teachment, which resolves my several issues very promptly and suggests me right directions at every time. So once again, I want to say very thanks to the Team Teachment. Thank you so much.